I'm gonna paint that maybe tomorrow. But one, there's not that much space in here. I could hang it up on top. But two, my rear bumper is really messed up. So if I were to have this like looking cherry and then my bumper looks like ass, it's gonna look weird. So let me just show you guys what I mean by that. Damn, look at this beauty. So what I mean by that is, I don't know if this car sat outside for a while, like during its like ownership of the original owner, but this back bumper, I already started sanding it a little, but it's really like faded and beat up. Right here you can see it has like a bunch of like chip marks that I'm gonna have to Bondo and just kind of get them like smooth, just so when I paint you don't see all the imperfections in there. But right now what I'm doing is I'm taping off everything just so when I get up here to sand this, I don't sand the taillights. This one's already messed up, so I'm gonna have to replace this one. But I still rather keep it kind of. So there's like a lot of like imperfections where I need to Bondo over, so once I paint this will all look smooth, but I can't really Bondo that right now because I kind of want to have it up in my driveway so I can do it like peacefully, not out here in the street. But right now what I'm doing is just simply masking all this off because I don't want any paint to get on any of my seals. I want this all to look original, like it's never been painted. And I know there's gonna be a lot of you are gonna be like, why don't you just take it off? One, I don't want to take it off because it's gonna be hard, and two, because I know once I take it off I'm not gonna have the same fitment right here, like the original fitment, and I really care about this fitment, like it looks really clean and just simple. So that's why I'm not gonna be taking it off, but I'm just kind of masking everything off so I don't scratch anything that I don't want to scratch. The bumper is now all sanded down and ready to go. Now I just need to clean it off, get all this dust off that's in there, and then I'm gonna mix the Bondo body filler and then kind of start just throwing it on there, kind of cover all these holes. But like I said, first I have to clean all this up. So after messing around with the bumper, I'm starting to realize that it's not going to be exactly how I want it, mainly because like the supports from inside the bumper are kind of pushing it out. So right here you can see there's like a little crease mark of like a bracket piece right here pushing it outwards, and there's nothing I could really do about it. Like I could put Bondo right here and cover this whole thing up, but it's gonna make a big bulge. So what I'm just mainly focusing on now is just covering these holes. I still got to do those a little bit more, fill some more in there, but I got to clean this. But yeah, it's gonna be a little wavy. It's all ready to go. I got it all masked off. I got this part all masked off to like about right here, and then I have a tarp covering the whole car just so I don't get any overspray on there. Got the tires masked off. There we go. And yeah, now I'm just gonna wipe it down and then start laying some primer, I should say. But yeah, we're set, boys. And then these right here, if I paint these, I'll probably just get new ones in the future. So that's not really a big deal. But other than that, I don't think I should get any overspray on anything else. Also guys, I finally got a mask. This whole time, everything I would paint, I would just kind of like cover my face, which that obviously doesn't do anything. So I got a mask. It was like 25 bucks. Not even that bad. I don't know why I didn't buy one sooner, but now I have a mask, so don't give me hate for not having one. I forgot I was kind of like putting a video together on this and giving you guys little updates, but so far this is 2 coats of light paint. It's looking a whole lot better. I didn't show you guys the primer and the Bondo. I don't know if I actually did show you the Bondo, but Corey should be here any minute, and we're probably gonna wrap his mirrors with this like hydrofluoric stuff. I don't even know what it's called. It's right here somewhere. Oh, he already has one of them done. But when he comes over, I'll let him kind of show you that. But yeah, I just gotta do probably 2 or 3, maybe 2 or 3 more coats, and I think I should be done and ready for clear. Alright guys, it's ready for clear now. I think, how many coats did I do? Like 5? I think yeah, I did like 5 coats. The Bondo didn't come out that well, but it's all one color, which is what I cared about. And then right here, look at Corey's mirror. This is what I was talking about, like the... Alright guys, so now it's pretty much done. It doesn't look exactly like OEM. You can see right there, that's a little bit darker, and this is obviously the lights right here. But this looks a little bit different. But then again, I am using spray paint and I'm painting outside. So the main problem is I would like paint a heavy coat, and then because it's kind of windy, I'd get like a bunch of dust getting blown on there, and I couldn't wipe it off because it was wet. So I just had to paint on top of it. But for being outdoors while it's windy, it came out pretty good. I'm just gonna leave this on just in case I want to put some more clear on there or whatever. But yeah, now I'm just gonna make Corey move his car, move mine down, put his up here, try to do his roof, and then I'll probably back this up just so it could dry. And since I have my little easy up, the dew doesn't like get on there. But I think it's pretty much ready. It's a lot better than before, because before it was like all burnt up here. It looked like a totally different bumper, just because of the fact that it was like high gloss right here and then like a matte finish. So now this should blend a little bit better than what it did before.